In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share and test your Typeform from start to finish. By the end, you'll know how to grab your form's link, open it like a respondent would, and walk through the questions to make sure everything works exactly as intended. Start on your PC by opening your preferred web browser. Any modern browser like Chrome, Edge, or Firefox will work well. In the address bar at the top, type typeform.com and press enter to head to the site. When the page loads, log into your account. If you're prompted for extra verification, just follow the on-screen instructions. Keep your login details private and make sure you're signing into the correct workspace if you use more than one. Once you're in, locate the form you want to test. It might be labeled as a test or draft, or you'll recognize it by its title. Click the form to open its dashboard, then look for the share option. This is where Typeform gives you the public link that respondents will use. Click Share, then click Copy Link. You should see a small confirmation that the link has been copied to your clipboard. Now open a new tab in your browser so you can test the form without leaving the editor. Paste the link into the address bar and press Enter. This loads the live version of your form exactly as a participant would see it. If your form begins with a start screen, click Start to begin. Some forms open right into the first question, so if you don't see a start button, that's perfectly normal. From here, go through the form and answer the questions one by one. Take a moment to check that each question looks right, the wording is clear, and any choices or input formats behave as expected. After you answer each question, click Next to move forward. If a question is required, the next button may be disabled until you fill it out, which is a great way to confirm your validation settings are working. Continue this rhythm, answer then next, until you reach the end of the form. When you're done, click Submit or Finish, depending on the button your form displays. You should see a confirmation or thank you screen, which confirms that responses are being captured. That's it. You've successfully shared your Typeform link and walked through a full test as a respondent. If everything looks good, your form is ready to share with your audience.